This is our round leg table. It's a clean, minimalist design. We use traditional joinery techniques that we've honed over the last couple of decades to make this table. The support frame is made with a bridle joint that displays the contrasting end grain of the timber beautifully. And then the leg is tenoned through that joint and locks it in place. And that tenon itself is also locked in place with a wedge. All this joinery makes a table that's really light and strong and got a clean design. This particular round leg table is made from Silvertop ash, recycled from Canberra roos. It's got these distinctive markings from insects and a range of colours in it. The rounded corners complement the round legs really well and make it a really harmonious design. We love making tables at Thor's Hammer. It's one of the best uses for recycled timber. It gets used and appreciated, stays in people's families for generations.